Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change name on Twitch. Firstly, when you tap on your profile icon to get up into that fiction, and if you go to your settings site on the fourth selection, then it will find out all these different options. You need to tap on the first one, which is account, and then edit profile. Now here on the first site or on the second side, you're gonna be able to get up and change the name site on your Twitch account. As you can see on the second one, which is your name, you can get it right this one. Now go save on your right upper side, and it will say that you may not change your display name, only the capitalization of it. Okay, now simply you can try with another side. Yeah, it says that it doesn't allow you. Try with this side. Now again, it doesn't give you that chance. You can get it to this side, then go save, and then you need to make sure that you have getting up into a name that is acceptable for Twitch supporting team. Thanks for watching guys. Now you know how to change name on Twitch. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.